Y'all know what we doing here, right? Royalty, champion. What's up, family? Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And you know what we're about to do today? Another fire, how to style. And this time is on the Supreme Nike SB Dunk Rammellzee or Rammellzee. Y'all know I still can't get that right. But the reason why I decided to do a how to style on these is because the other day I gave y'all a 4K review on the latest Nike SB, the tight booth. Yeah, tight booth, yeah. And similar colors, similar texture. So that's what kind of made this video happen. Thank you, tight booth. So yeah, you know you could get the clothes that drop with the sneaker, of course. I'm still waiting on my tee. I had to do third party. If you watch my review of this video, I told you guys that I slept. I slept on this whole week and I didn't get none of that. I went back and got that tee. I'm waiting on that. But we gonna do something better, some more dope stuff. Hit the B-roll. Let's come out the gate with the fire. Yes, sir. The Supreme Greta tee. This picture in the back matches that sneaker perfect. All those colors are in there. Greta even has on black and white lingerie. The front, black and white, just like the sneaker. This is a dope look. So I'm telling you guys, you didn't really have to buy the stuff that came for the sneaker. Supreme has a lot of dope stuff to match, and this is one in particular. And I used to tell you this, but let me tell you again. Pay attention to that B-roll, because it be some stuff in there that's flames that I do not incorporate in the whole video. But this tee right here is a dead-on match, and you get it for about retail $70 to $80 on StockX and Gold. I'm talking about royalty, right? I love this Yankees Championship World Series tee because of the gum bottom of the Supreme Dunk. The gum bottom is present here, guys, and then these colors in the tee, it just incorporates the whole sneaker, man. And this is a perfect match. Mitchell and Ness, $38. Not that bad, man. And y'all know I'm New York, so Yankees always. Let's stay champions, man. So you see the gold rings, my Lakers lost last night. The gold matches the gold on the shoelaces. Perfect, guys. And then the purple and the yellow is just more colors that's incorporated with the whole shoe. Again, Mitchell and Ness, $38. You can't beat it, man. Material's great. And you get to rep the Lakers. But if you want to stay traditional black and white, I ain't mad at you. And I got something for you. The Fragment Beer Break or Beer Break tee. Yo, this material is wild. You could kind of wear this tee in the wintertime, man. Nice thick material. Black and white, just like some of you guys want to do it. Got the Fragment logo there, a beard there. The back has the Fragment logo in that nice neon green if you want a little bit of color. But yeah, man, I really like this match. I forgot how much I paid for this, but if you want to find this and you're into this, hit me in the comment section below. We'll get it together. Now, for my people who want to just be black, but still have a little bit of that color, this tee right here, man, I brought it just for the sneaker. I do that a lot, but sometimes I mix it with another sneaker. This one is for the Supreme Nike SBs. This is a Pink Floyd throwback rock and roll tee, man, vintage. Got the little holes in it, man, all around the shirt. I like it, man. And then in the front, the word pink is in almost that gum colorway, but then The pyramid in the middle got all the colors that's in that Supreme tee. I really like it, man. Again, got the holes and everything at the bottom, man. Just like an old throwback rock and roll tee. Pink Floyd 50 on the tag. I believe I got this from Forever 21 for a steal, guys. Like under $25. Yeah, Forever 21, but the price is not here. But there go the tags, guys. I like this match, man. Forget it. Let's stay colorful, man. This is the Dare. If you went to school in the late 90s, even early 2000s, Dare used to come to your school. But this is dope, man. I actually brought this tee for my eBay dunks, but the tee came too late, and I like it with the eBay joints too. So, like I told y'all, I forgot what video it is. Everybody's doing the NASCAR shirts now, and this one is actually the Dare one made for kids. I got it from PacSun. I paid $28, guys. This is a steal. I like the match of this. Again, gum bottom look, so you get that all vintage color there, that sandy color, and then you just get a colorful shirt that's popular that everybody's rocking now. 88 there. I really like this shirt, guys. But again, if you want to just go black and white, I ain't mad at you, man. I got you. Como de Garçon, play tee. You know the material, man. CDG, man. Black and white heart, small heart there. Perfect match, under $100. Makes the Supremes go hard. Hats, it's basically a pick-em, man. It's going to be a black hat, white icon, white socks. Almost every NFL team, NBA, NHL team has a black and white look. The Rock Nation paper plane hat, of course, that's the original hat. Perfect match for the Supremes. The Pigeon Staples hat is also a nice match if you're trying to match. Brooklyn Nets hat with the colorful flowers on it brings everything together. Pink bottom. I know I always like to give like a smaller brand some love. This is Brim of the World. They got the backwards, upside down Pirates P hat. This is a match. And the OVO Looney Tunes joint I threw in just because of the black and gold hits to match the gold shoelaces that you get in the Supremes. Yes, sir, man. So that's a quick hat of style on the Supreme Nike SB Rammellzee. Yeah, Rammellzee. That's what I'm going with, man. Nice shoe, man. Resale is still at $300 to $400. I don't see it going down, man. The sneaker's hard, man. Let me know in the comment section below if you need help securing anything you've seen in this video. Pricing, sizing. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Everybody, get rich.